Gordon.
Hi. I'm 5'5". There's flames probably about 5'7".
No, sir, it's over 6 feet.
No, I'm 5'5". And look it, the flame is the same size as me. There's no more 6 feet.
It is 6 feet.
6 feet is up to here.
Well, that's where it is.
I'm 5'5". That's not 6 feet. That's about 5'10".
No,
Not even 6
I
feet.
can see it, Steve. I'm looking at you and I'm looking at the flame. It's 6 feet. It was 7.
You want me to take a marathon? Why? You have to remember.
Don't, Steve. Look, right there.
It's not 6 feet. Why? Because the base of it is for a foot, or maybe 10 inches. So you have to subtract 10 inches from pleasure go.
Yeah.
So the fire is a foot and a half. So 5'5", 6 feet subtract 4. So you talk about 4.5 feet from there to there.
And, alright, you're fine.
To be precise.
Good.
You get it?
I'm gonna see if I can find
Right.
more.
Cool. This thing remind me of Resident Evil 2, where the gasoline truck came crashing into the police.
It's really zoomed in, Steve. Alright, that's it.
Yeah.